Hey guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. Alright, it's that time of the month again, which I cannot believe. But it is time for my July 2019 Stitch Fix. So in last month's box, I was talking about the stylist that I had and how I actually really liked what she was picking out for me and I wanted to stick with her. So luckily for me, I got her again this month. Again, her name is Blake Lindsay and she was super excited to style for me again and I was super excited for her to style for me again. So fingers crossed I have found my new stylist. So for this month, I actually remembered, I screenshotted what requests I made because I never seem to remember the requests that I made. So for this month, I asked for workish pants because once I was like going through my wardrobe and everything, I realized that I don't have a lot of work type pants. So I asked for that. I also asked for a lightweight jacket. You know, I started getting like spring summer things in February and March. It's time to start thinking of transitional pieces. I know. By the time this video is up, it will be August, but fall is still a ways off. You know, it's the end of September, I think. So for me to be asking for fallish pieces may seem early, but hear me out. By the time I get my next box, it'll be the end of August, so only a month until fall. I want to have things prepared. So I did ask for a lightweight jacket as well. And then I asked for some fashion hoodies and knit tops. Then I said, you know, send me whatever you think would look good on me. And that's where we went. So I asked for work pants, lightweight jacket, fashion hoodie, knit tops, and then whatever else. She did say that she was sorry that she couldn't find the specific work pants that I asked for, but she did find me a pair of pants. She did find me a knit top. She did find me a lightweight jacket. She did find me a fashion hoodie, and then she sent me something she thought I would look good in. So I'm really excited. Spoiler alert, I'm getting everything. I have no self-control. I'm really excited about everything. I'm especially excited for the lightweight jacket. The only thing I'm not excited for is how much it costs. So the first thing I'm going to start with is the item that she, I guess, thought I would look good in. It doesn't fit any of the requests that I had, so I'm assuming it went along with that. And that is this blouse by Britton, or Britton, I'm not quite sure. And it is the Frenkel Scallop neckline blouse. I always have to look down to see what it's called because they're always so long. But anyway, at first glance, I was like, oh God, no, that doesn't look good at all. It's like very boxy looking. And I guess it's just because of that fabric. It is, what is this? I will tell you all what it is. I hope. Maybe not. So this is 100% polyester. It looked very boxy to me just by holding it up. It looks boxy, but on it looks really good. I really like it. It's a very simple but dressier top. And so even though she couldn't find me the work pants I wanted, she did send me a work top. I love this. First of all, it's black, so she already gets me. And then second of all, it has like the little pop of color with the pink and a little bit of green with the flowers. And I really like that. Now I will say this thing is very sheer at first glance. I'm not sure how well the camera's gonna show it, but it's very sheer. Now, when I wore it for the try on, it didn't seem that bad. However, I probably wouldn't risk it and would wear a black camisole underneath. Make sure everything's covered. We don't need no skin showing at work. But I do really like this. I mean, it's just a very basic worky related top. I do like the scalloped look on the sleeves as well as on the neckline. Very basic, but very cute work top. It does say that the color is gray. I guess if you look at it close enough, it's a very dark gray, but it looks more black to me. It is a size small and it retails for $38, which for a dressy top is pretty on par. So I like this one a lot. I'm really glad she sent me this because it wasn't something I would normally pick for myself, but it looked good once I had it on. The next thing falls underneath the like knit top category that I asked for, and it is also by Britton. Is it Britton? I don't know. I couldn't find a device named Britton. I never asked for you. But this is by Britton. I have no idea. This is the Levie knot front knit top. Y'all really gotta work on your names. I love this. First of all, gray is one of my favorite colors. I know. People are like, wow, you like black and gray. Yes, I do. And what I really like about this top are the 3 shades of gray. Not 53. We don't need that many shades of gray. I really like this. First of all, super soft. I swear Stitch Fix only has soft items. Like, I've only ever felt soft things. I don't normally like the knot front type thing, but it looked really good on. Again, super soft. It does have an automatic cuff right here on the sleeves, which is cute. When you feel this top, you can feel kind of like the stitching where the blocks come together. It's not bad, it's just noticeable. But again, just your basic knit top. I absolutely love this. I can see myself wearing this for the rest of summer and into fall. Again, this is by Britton, the same company that did the first top that I showed you. This is a small, it is in gray, and it also retails for $38. So the same price as the first top. Also, now that I'm looking at my receipt, I realized since there are two by Britton, I read the wrong color for the first one, and that one does say black. So that explains a whole lot more. Next up falls under the kind of fashion hoodie category that I asked for. A lot of people have asked me what I mean by fashion hoodie. I mean that it's cute, but a hoodie, and still relatively functional. Whereas like a regular hoodie is usually very bulky and not very fashionable. Does that make sense? But this is by Clover. I do have several items by them, and it is the Poplar cowl neck brushed knit top. So it is more of a cowl neck than a hoodie, but when you wear it, it looks like a hoodie. So you wear it like this and it falls down. Blake already gets me by sending me things with gray and a little bit of yellow. We're already on the same page about that. I love this. Again, super soft. This is a gray right here with a little bit of yellow and then a little bit of taupe. It is 3/4 length sleeves, so this is like a perfect transitional piece for like chilly summer nights into the fall. This is perfect. I absolutely love this. The only thing that I don't really like is how long these strings are. And I guess technically you could tie it, but I don't know, I just don't like how it looks when it's tied. I really like the 3/4 length sleeve. Usually for hoodies, fashion hoodie or regular ones, I like the long sleeve because I like to like hold it along here on my wrist. But for this, it works. I really love this top a lot, and again, super soft. Okay, now I'm confused about the colors because on the sheet it says it's navy. Am I that colorblind? Like, what is going on with my vision? I guess it's like a blue gray, but I would not say navy. Maybe slate, but not navy. Maybe I should get my eyes checked. This is also a small and it retails for $40, which may seem like a little high for a fashion hoodie, but you know what? It's cute, it's comfortable, it's good quality, it's gonna hold up. I like it. The next item falls underneath the lightweight jacket category that I asked for, and I am so excited for this one. Like this, when I first tried it on, I was like, yep, I gotta get it. I gotta get it. That's all there is to it. And it is this jacket by Liverpool. It's called the Trenton jacket. It's kind of like a denim jacket, but it doesn't say that in the name, so I'm not gonna call it a denim jacket. All I know is it's black. It's got an acid wash to it. It's soft, and I'm in love with it. Oh, well, even in the card from Blake, she says, for your jacket request, I can't wait to hear your thoughts on my favorite Liverpool denim jacket. So it is a denim jacket, we'll call it that. But she said it's her favorite, you know, denim jacket. I can see why. First of all, again, I say this about every Stitch Fix item, but they're all so stinking soft. And for a denim jacket to be soft, I mean, this is gonna be amazing, again, for colder summer nights as well as fall and into early winter. I am just obsessed with the look of this. Black with the acid wash to it. I mean, y'all know my typical style is not what I'm wearing right now. I'm getting ready for work, can you tell? I love this. It reminds me of something grungy like, you know, rocker chic. I am just obsessed with it. The buttons, you know, if you want to button it up, they button smoothly. It doesn't take a lot of effort to button them up. I just can't get over how soft this is. Like, I don't know if denim should be that soft, but it is. Look at that acid wash to it. I love the pockets on the front, how detailed they are with the acid wash. I'm just so excited for this. So the one holdup for this is that it's $98. That's pretty damn expensive. But you know what? I'm gonna get it because I'm that in love with it. It also is a size small, color black. I'm so excited for this. This is gonna be my new favorite fall jacket. And the final item falls under the workish related pants category that I asked for, and it is by Tinsel. They are these Casia frayed hem chino pant. I know what y'all are gonna say.
Gretchen, we thought you hated frayed hem.
I do. I hate that raw hem, that frayed hem looking thing, but you can't really tell with these. It's not a truly noticeable one, so it's not that bad in my opinion. Now, these are in the color gray. Let me see what else. They are a size 2 and they retail for $50. They're a very basic pair of gray pants. They are definitely more worky looking than like an everyday usage. They also have that slate blue color to them, you know, where it's like, you can't tell if it's like a hint of blue in there or if it's like a really weird cool gray. Either way, I like it. We stuck with a gray theme this box and I appreciate that because I love gray. These pants are cool because they are also button instead of like they're fasten button. They're very comfortable. I will say they are a little snug around my thighs. Thanks, loose skin. But they're still very comfortable. But they're just some basic work pants and I really like them. I didn't think I was going to at first, but you know, you gotta try stuff on before you knock it. I will be wearing these a lot this fall for work. So, like I said, I am gonna end up keeping everything. The subtotal for everything comes to $264. If I buy all 5, which I will, I get that 25% off, which takes $66 off, bringing it down to $198. Now, I'm guessing at the time of this being printed, this wasn't updated, but I did get an email saying that I got a credit because someone signed up through my link. So thank you to that person. I really appreciate it. So that takes another 25 off. And I believe that brings that down to 173. So it was 198 minus 25. I believe that's 173. Not a math person, so if I'm wrong, I will correct myself. So yeah, I am definitely keeping everything. I absolutely love it all, especially that jacket. I am so excited about that jacket. So yeah, that was my July box. Let me know in the comments below what item was your favorite. I mean, I'm really happy and excited about everything that I got this box, so yay! So I will have my referral link in the description below. If you are interested in trying Stitch Fix, please consider using my link. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Going down there and hit that subscribe button wherever it may be, because I don't know. Even though I do, this is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time. Bye guys.